Why should you worry about vendor lock-in with serverless functions? Imagine building an app that runs smoothly on one cloud platform, only to find out later that switching providers is a nightmare. That's what vendor lock-in is all about. When you use serverless functions from a single cloud provider, your application becomes tied to their specific tools, APIs, and services. For example, if you use Amazon Web Services Lambda, you're relying on their proprietary runtime and event triggers. Moving to Google Cloud Functions or Microsoft Azure Functions later means rewriting parts of your code and reconfiguring how your app responds to events. This process can take days or even weeks, especially if your functions are deeply integrated with other cloud services like databases or storage. From a deployment and scalability point of view, vendor lock-in can limit your ability to grow or adapt quickly. If your provider raises prices or changes their service terms, you might be forced to accept higher costs or make urgent changes. This can hurt your budget and delay your project. Plus, if the cloud provider experiences an outage or discontinues a feature, your app could stop working or lose important data. That's a big risk for any business relying on serverless functions. Security and compliance are also affected. Different cloud platforms have different security standards and certifications. If you are locked into one provider, your options to meet specific industry regulations become limited. Data stored in proprietary formats can be difficult and expensive to transfer. Moving large amounts of data from one cloud to another can cost hundreds or thousands of dollars and take a lot of time. To avoid these problems, you can design your serverless applications to be more flexible. Use open standards like representational state transfer protocols and data formats like JavaScript object notation. Keep your code loosely coupled from vendor-specific APIs by creating abstraction layers. Document your business logic clearly so it can be adapted or migrated easily. Consider multi-cloud strategies that allow you to run functions on different platforms or switch providers without rewriting everything. While serverless functions speed up deployment and reduce infrastructure management, they do come with the risk of vendor lock-in. It's a good idea to plan your backend architecture with portability in mind. This way, you can enjoy the benefits of serverless computing without feeling trapped by a single cloud provider. Balancing immediate needs with future flexibility helps you stay in control of your application's growth and costs.